This is not right way. Copy background layer. Wait and see for right way. Lasso tool. Press Ctrl Alt D. Feather radius 5. Sorry for the mistake. Click here to add layer mask. Solid color. Opacity and fill 80%. Press Ctrl G for create a group layer. Copy the group 1 layer. Double click here to create a new lip color. You can use this technique to create any lip color as you wish. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel Tech Creator Joy and hit the bell button to watch my new tutorial. Thanks for watching.